Okay, so as in the last video, we have gone through chemical bonds, right? There are two types of chemical bonds, interatomic and intermolecular. The interatomic includes four subtypes, which includes ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinated covalent bond, and metallic bond. They are stronger, right? Their energy includes from 200 to 400 kilojoule per mole. However, next comes the intermolecular. These are basically forces, right? There are five types of van der Waals forces that we're gonna study, right? Then we're gonna study hydrogen bonding in it, and hydrogen bonding includes two types: intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular forces are basically weaker than the interatomic; those are stronger. Their energy includes 2 to 40 kilojoule per mole, right? This was the basic introduction or the flow chart of the types of the chemical bond and their subtypes, right? So today we're gonna look into the objectives, what actually we're gonna study in the entire chapter. Let's see, right? This is the basic objectives, right? We can include things in it, right, too, when we'll be studying. So this basic objectives. Objectives or basic objectives, right? Basic objectives. As our topic is about the theories of covalent bond, but we're gonna start with ionic bond, right? We're gonna start with ionic bond, its properties, right? Each and every property we'll be discussing here. Heat of formation, heat of formation. Then we'll be discussing about lattice energy as well, which is very important topic, and all the MCQs come from, you know what, lattice energy, very important topic. Then we will be discussing covalent characters in the ionic bond. Covalent characters in ionic bond, which is determined by Fezan's rule. Fezan's rule is nothing but it tells us about the covalent characters in ionic bond. Covalent characters in ionic bond. Right, so we will be studying about ionic bond first, which is very important topic, right? Then we will be moving towards, you know what, I'll be giving the basic introduction of, you know what, covalent bond, since we, our main topic is theories of covalent bond, but we'll be studying ionic bond initially. I'll be giving you guys the introduction of the covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond as well, and metallic bond as well. But our main topic is the theories of covalent bond. Theories of covalent bond, which is covalent bond is our main topic, right? So then we will be discussing each and everything about covalent bond. We'll be discussing each and everything about covalent bond, right? We will be then discussing about theories of covalent bond, which is very important topic, right? Very important. Theories of covalent bond. Covalent bond, which includes Lewis dot structure theory. We're gonna have an entire video of it, right, with all the tricks, so Lewis dot structure theory. Then we're gonna have here VBT, it's valence bond theory. Valence bond theory. Then we're gonna have here MOT, which is molecular orbital theory, or initially we will be studying the VSEPR, right? VSEPR, which is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Then we're gonna study about MOT, which is molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory. Right? Molecular orbital theory. With VBT, we're gonna study hybridization, which is the very important topic. It is basically intermixing of two orbitals of same or nearly same energy to give a new orbital with exactly same energy, right? So hybridization, very important topic. Then we're gonna study the ionic characters in the covalent bond, which we'll be studying by the dipole movement, dipole movement, right? This is basically the ionic characters in the covalent bond. We will be studying about Dragon's rule as well, which is very important, right? Dragon's rule. We're gonna study, the energy level diagram in the MOT as well. So here we should write energy level diagram. Plus, we're going to study here the electronic configuration of molecules. We have already discussed about electronic configuration of atoms or elements, right? But here we will be discussing electronic configuration of molecules, which is very important. Molecules, right? So again, these both topics are very important in our syllabus. We will be studying, in VBT, sigma bond, pi bond, right? This is sigma bond, which is known as single bond, which is also known as head to head bond or axial bond, right? This is pi bond, which is known as lateral bond, sidewise bond, or parallel bond, right? So in the next comes the very important topic of hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. Again, we will be studying these of two types, right? Initially, our hydrogen bonding would be interatomic. Interatomic HB, which is hydrogen bonding, and our next would be intraatomic. We cannot write atomic here since we have molecules here, right? We have molecules here, so we should write here intermolecular, and here we should write intramolecular. MOL. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So last topic is hydrogen bonding, and that is of course of two types, intermolecular hydrogen bonding and next comes intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So these were our objectives, right? What we will going to cover in the entire chapter. So this was all for today. In the next video, we're going to study about the ionic bond and its properties.